guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the giveaway prize that my dad won from JB's toy truck. Also, he sent me a surprise package that I was gonna show you later. This is the giveaway prize that my dad won from JB's toy truck. And it's the Bounty Hunters collection Darth Vader Star Wars Deluxe Funko Pop GameStop exclusive. Now, time for the surprise package that JB's Toy Trunk sent me. Shout out and thank you to JB's Toy Trunk. First, Jurassic World Minion Owen and Velociraptor Becca. And here's Owen and the Velociraptor and a fox. Next, Super Mario Daisy and Super Mario Yoshi. He also sent me a cool Star Wars socks and it has Baby Yoda on it. Next is this Star Wars Mission Fleet, the Mandalorian Blurred and Remnant Stormtrooper, and this is Stormtrooper, Blurred, and the Mandalorian. He also sent us a sweet note. Thank you, JB, for the sweet message. Next is Star Wars The Mandalorian Pop Tees. Next is Lego Set 3-in-1 31126 Supersonic Jet. Next is Lego Set 3-in-1 31088 Deep Sea Creatures. Next is Lego Set Harry Potter 76386 Hogwarts Polyjuice Potion Mystic. Next, let's see what Funko Pop is inside the box. It's the Funko Pop Star Wars Ashoka. Next, it's Funko Pop Star Wars Boba Fett. And there's another one. Whoa! It's Funko Pop Spider-Man No Way Home. The last one is Fortnite Victory Royale Series Dio and Sioma. It has a cool box and I love it. Thank you again, JB's Toy Truck, for all of these cool toys that you sent me. I super like it. And guys, make sure to check and subscribe to JB's Toy Trunk YouTube channel and social media site for awesome toy hunt videos. I will link it in the description. Thank you guys.